If you truly wanted a good physique, you would already have one. Your mind is docile. Men these days are docile. They are stimulated. Their dopamine is saturated. They can't focus on one fucking thing. They do multiple things. They're watching porn on Instagram, watching. I used to do this. I used to be playing games and I'd be watching a TV show at the same time. I'd literally just be grinding my fucking dopamine. I'd be sat, TV on my phone playing a game or on my computer playing a game. My parents would be like, "What the fuck are you doing? Get the fuck out of here. You're wasting money, wasting power." From September to March, I was bulking. So from last September, not this September, from last September to this year's March, I bulked. And my friend said to me after I bulked, I was on maintenance, and my friend said to me, "Ruben, you're smaller than me." I laughed in his face. I was like, "No, the fuck I'm not." I was like, "Look at the size of you, look at the size of me." Turns out he was bigger than me. Not much. But it really got me thinking. I've been bulking for months, and he's managed to get bigger than me in the same time. I'm doing something wrong. And at that point, I only gained, I think, 2-3 kilos, which at the time I thought, Jesus, I'm gaining so much weight. That's fucking nothing. I found out it's nothing. He was right. I was gaining no weight and no muscle. So what I did was I focused on the fucking metrics. I focused on muscle gain. I focused on weight gain. I focused on particular muscles. I realized my chest is underdeveloped. Now I'm focusing on that. My chest is getting better. I noticed I was getting rounded shoulders. So I started working on my rear delt. I did all these little things, and I've been bulking since April. So I took a month off in March. And since April, I have gained nearly 10 kilos. From April to September, I was 72, now I'm 80, 80.5, I think, or something like that. I've gained nearly 10 kilos, just under 10 kilos. From April to September. That's like half the time it took me before, and I only gained 2 kilos. That is what happens when you focus on something. We actually focus on what the fuck you want to do. You put your effort, your energy into it. You'll get it. Because are you going to get something if you don't try? Are you? Are you going to get something if you don't try? No. Of course you're not. It's not going to fucking land in your lap. If you need to make $1,000, $1,000 isn't going to land in your lap. You can do a load of fucking scratch cards and lotteries, whatever. You're not going to get it. You have to fucking work for it and put effort into it, put energy into it, and then you'll fucking get it. So just shut the fuck up and do it. Stop being a little bitch. What happened was, I was being a little bitch. Oh, I'm eating so much food. I wasn't eating enough food. I was burning off my calories. I was just being a fucking retard. Once I said to myself, shut the fuck up and just get big. Become a big fucker. Now, every single fucking day, somebody tells me, "Ruben, you're fucking massive." Whoa. My teachers call me Big Daddy because I'm so fucking big now. So, just shut the fuck up. If you're fucking hungry, you have to put energy to get the food. Maybe you order food. You still have to put energy into ordering food online. Maybe if it's primitive, we're talking primitive, you're a caveman, you're hungry. You have to fucking hunt that food down. You have to put energy into it. It's the same with the gym. It's the same with everything in life. Have to hunt it. Nowadays, obviously, it's fucking on demand now. You can just ask your mum, "Oh, can you make me a sandwich?" Make that fucking sandwich yourself. Put the energy into it. I find now that when people do things for me that I could easily have done, I think, oh, thank you very much. Made life a lot easier. But I have to think to myself, I can't get complacent. So if you're a teenager like me, I know I look like a fucking old man, but 15. Every morning I wake up, and some of the days my mom does my bed. So I get up and I just go into the shower, or brush my teeth or whatever. And I'll come back out and my bed's already made. I'm like, what the fuck? The wizard just done it. But I always express a bit of gratitude. I always put a bit of energy. Because I could have just ignored it and said, oh, alright, thanks. But I made sure that I put some energy into saying thank you and acknowledging that, because I haven't lost out. Because me doing that, because I've not done it, I've not gone through the pain of doing it, me expressing gratitude is kind of a pain. You know, I have to put a bit of energy into it. So you can find ways around it. So if you're a bit complacent, let's say you do half a gym workout, so you're just getting into it. Well, make sure that half the gym, I'm fucking wording this wrong. If you do only half of a workout in the gym, make sure that other half that you've done is maximum intensity. That makes up for it. Obviously, you should do the whole thing. Today, I had a shit workout, to be honest. I had an alright workout. But I did every single fucking thing without failure. Well, I had failure, obviously, but without fail, I did everything. No matter what. So, most people don't try because they have no diet, no workout plan, no fucking direction. They don't know what the hell they're doing. That is why most people never focus on the gym and get their results. So if you don't want to be like one of those people that just fob off, one of those fucking skinny fat losers, you don't want to be a skinny fat loser. So if you don't want to be a skinny fat loser, this is you, skinny fat loser. This is you. And this is the people that get the course. And you'll be like, oh, you're selling me a course. Yeah, I am. I am fucking selling you a course. Boo fucking who? What the fuck are you going to do about it? It's a risk. Everything in life is a risk. You get a risk and you get a reward. So, I might be scamming you. I might not. But I know I'm not. But a lot of people have that FOMO and have a fear of getting scammed. Whatever the fuck. This course is for you. It's literally made for you. I've literally gone through everything. I'm teaching you everything. I'm teaching all these fucking guys everything. They're winning. They're getting their fucking dream physique. You're sat here watching my videos, getting dopamine, and then jerking off and doing the same old shit you always do. So if you want to take action and become one of those people, get the fucking course. Come on, man. But at first, you don't want to focus on the gym. I didn't want to focus on the gym. That's why I didn't do it. That's why I only gained 2 kilos. So you have to realize at some point you're going to have to do it. And if you don't, you're just going to be the fucking same old loser you always have been. So at first you don't want to do it. I get that. Just progressively build up to it. But you have to man the fuck up. At the end of the day, you're going to have to do it. Boo fucking who. Get on with it. I get now my routine is fucking jam-packed with shit that I don't want to do. Most of the shit I don't want to do. But that's why. But I feel fulfilled by it. And I enjoy it to an extent. I don't want to do it, but once I've done it, I feel like a champ. I feel like a legend. So man the fuck up. Just get it done with. I didn't want to do this gym workout today. I did it. I don't want to record this video right now. I'm doing it. But what you focus on, you attract. It's a law of attraction. It's not a book I've actually read. It's something that I need to read. And I'm desperate to read. But that is the moral principle. Everybody should know that if you focus on something, you'll attract it. If you focus on money, guess fucking what? You'll get money. If you focus on looking sick, looking like a legend, looking like a fucking Mr. Olympia, guess what? You're gonna be a Mr. Olympia. So, focus on that shit, man. Focus on it. Because do you want to be an ugly loser. No. So what the fuck are you doing? You know what to do. So do it. If you're still struggling for consistency in the gym, you're trying to show up, but you're struggling, check out this video right here and have a good day. Mwah.